Long candlelight in centuries of Heliana's sung. We like the torches from the marches of the rolling drum. Awake the mighty memories of heroes and the young. The waves are rolling on. Grand old Vikings ruled upon the ocean vast. Their brave battle songs the thunder of the blast. Their war cry comes the ringing from the blast. We answer it ahoy. Roll their glory down the ages, sons of warriors and sages. When the fight for freedom rages, be bold and strong as they. What's the name of Manor? Round the prairie ship we stand. Voices joining gladsome chorus, raise aloft the flaming brand. Voices joining gladsome chorus, raise aloft the flaming brand. Every geyser has a duty when he joins the festive throng. On a freedom, love, and beauty, in the feast that's the song. On a freedom, love, and beauty, in the feast that's the song. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is older, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, I hear her voice in the morning as she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads, take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, country roads, take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, na na na, hey hey, na na na, hey hey, na na na, hey hey, na na na. West Virginia.